Hey guys, welcome to Alpha Male Essentials. Summer is just around the corner, and I know a lot of you want to look your best. So, in today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you glow up for the summer. Point 1. Focus on skincare. The first step to a summer glow up is to focus on your skincare. This means washing your face twice a day, exfoliating once or twice a week, and moisturizing daily. You should also wear sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Point 2. Exercise regularly. The second tip to achieve a summer glow up is to exercise regularly. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but it also helps to reduce stress, which can cause acne and other skin problems. Try to work out at least 3 times a week, whether it's running, weightlifting, or yoga. Point 3. Eat a healthy diet. The third tip to achieve a summer glow up is to eat a healthy diet. This means cutting down on processed foods and increasing your intake of fresh fruits and vegetables. Eating a diet that's rich in vitamins and minerals will not only improve your skin but also your overall health. Point 4. Get enough sleep. The fourth tip to achieve a summer glow up is to get enough sleep. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, so it's important to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles under your eyes, which can make you look tired and older than you are. Point 5. Practice good posture. The fifth tip to achieve a summer glow up is to practice good posture. Slouching can not only cause back pain, but it can also make you look less confident and less attractive. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and keep your head up to look taller, more confident, and more attractive. Point 6. Start mealing. The sixth tip to achieve a summer glow up is to consider mealing. Mealing is a technique that involves holding your tongue against the roof of your mouth to improve your facial structure, including your jawline and cheekbones. There is some evidence to suggest that mealing can be effective, but it's important to do it correctly and consistently for best results. There you have it, guys. These tips are sure to help you glow up and look your best this summer. Remember, take care of your skin, exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, practice good posture, and consider mealing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss our upcoming advanced tips and tricks to level up your style, confidence, and success. Thank you for watching Alpha Male Essentials, and I'll see you in the next video.